Yo guys, it's your boy NI3. Welcome to NI3 tutorials, guys. So as the title of the video says, today we're going to see how we can install mods into Euro Truck Simulator 2, guys. So the first step, guys, before installing any mod in Euro Truck Simulator, you need to know the version of the game. How do we check the version of the game, guys? So I'm gonna show you. So first of all, we're gonna open our Steam like so, and then we're gonna just go play here so that we can see the version of the game, guys. So let's launch the game. Let's wait for the game to launch. There we go. So guys, as you can see, the game is launched. So as you see here in the bottom corner here, it says version 1.55. 1.55, guys. That is the version of our game. So now that we know the version of our game, we can quit right here. We can close this. We can go to any browser, like you can use Chrome, whatever, any browser you want. So yeah, we're just gonna come and search for a mod. So for example, VW Polo ETS2 mod 1.55. So guys, make sure to include the version of the mod. Make sure to include the version of the mod. It makes it easier to find the mod. As you can see, it shows us the mod. A first link here, it says Polo GTI version 1.55. So as you can see, this is the car right here, version 1.55. So we're gonna come here, I'm gonna press download. I'm gonna wait for the link. Click download. Be careful of redirects, guys. The first one is usually a redirect. So yeah. Okay, download it. The mod is downloading, guys, as you can see. So yeah, let's just do it. It's almost done. And there we go. Okay, now what we're gonna go do is going to open our download folder, and then as you can see, we have the mod. We see that it's a zip folder, guys. So what we're gonna do, we have to extract the mod. You can use WinRAR, or you can just use the normal Explorer. It usually works. Once you have extracted the mod, you're going to have these two files here: Volkswagen Polo GTI dev and Volkswagen Polo GTI. These two files. Some mods, it's only one file, but some have two files. So this one has two files. So we're gonna cut it or copy it, whatever suits you. We're gonna go into documents. Sorry, I went too fast there. We're gonna go into documents. We're going to go into Euro Truck Simulator 2. We're going to go into mods, and then we're gonna paste it in the mod folder here in the documents. As you can see, this is the mod folder in documents, guys. As you can see, the mod has been successfully pasted. Once you've pasted your mod, guys, all you're gonna do is go back to your Steam like so, and you're gonna launch the game once again. So once our game is launched like this, guys, we're going to go to our profiles, which are already created. Let me just choose a good profile, guys. Choose a good profile, and then we're going to go into our mods here. Yes, don't pay attention to any of those mods. So usually, guys, the mod will usually appear here in the top corner. As you can see, this is the mod that we just downloaded, the Polo GTI. So we put, and then you put the dev file. The dev file goes on top, guys. If you put it on the bottom, sometimes the mod may crash. So don't forget that, guys. Don't forget to do that. The music, guys. Okay, so let's continue into the game. If you're new to the video, guys, please subscribe. Let's grow the channel, guys. Let's grow the channel. And if you want more gaming content, guys, check out my main channel, NI3 the Gamer, guys. Check out my main channel. Yo, so now what you're gonna do is gonna go into services right here, gonna go into track dealers, go into access mode dealer, and as you can see, the Polo GTI is now there, guys. Now you can configure, you can change the color, whatever. The mod is now there, guys. As you can see, the mod is there. You can do what you need to do with it, no problem. The mod is now available, fully customizable in some aspects. But yeah, let's buy the car like so. Pick a garage, put the car in the garage, and yeah, let's drive the car. So let's press drive, guys. As you can see, we're now in the Polo, guys. We're now in the Polo GTI, the mod that we just downloaded. And yeah, everything works, engine starts, the car works, these are the lights. As you can see, guys, Polo GTI. So guys, this is how you install mods on Euro Truck Simulator, guys. As you can see, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and yeah, continue supporting your boy NI3, guys.